How to delete your Cici account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this two-line icon. Simply tap on this two-line icon, and here on the bottom, tap on Settings. So now we in this Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and customize it. Here on the top, tap on Dola account. So this is the account section. Here on the bottom, there's delete account button. Simply tap on delete account. Now make sure you want to delete your account. So after you do this, all the chat and history will be deleted. Even the account and everyone added with you will be gone. Now simply tap on it and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.